What's up?
Uptown Swing.
This is level 1 8 count, week 5. You guys are crushing it. And we did swing outs open to open. Like this. We get open, then we do it again. There's lots of feeling out there. And then, remember? Sometimes we worked on practicing just this right here. We have the feeling, it doesn't leave. We just keep it, and then we go again. So we worked on feelings today.
And leaders, you had to convince your followers to move.
Yes.
Followers, you didn't rush.
You did follower work. What did you do with those followers?
So we started with just doing footwork underneath. Sometimes you just like floated by yourself, but that's not really what happens to followers in the real life. You are not deciding. So we had some followers who drive around.
I'm dancing.
And turn them around like this. Woo. And just driving them around like this.
It's fun. I never do this.
While doing footwork.
Leaders footwork as I was doing, but you get the idea. Leaders, we had specific practice for you. Watch out, I'm coming. We did back, forward, back, and then we turned around with that to get that kind of ellipse there. Turning right around. You don't turn too fast. And you kind of back up. We talked a lot about on one, you got to step back every time. But if you are moving your whole body, that one doesn't come out of nowhere. You're already getting ready to step on one, and it makes it easier. To me, Val. We go. Hey. Get some practice, everybody. More next week. Woo, 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 woo.